You know, one thing that these elections we have learned is that it is not the amount of meetings you do, but it is the message that you give.
Mnyumba ya Malamulo munabuka mpungwe pamene aphungu awiri anachita zinthu zodabwitsa. Oyamirira ndi Akhumbo Kachali amene adakhalaponso vice president wa number 4 mdziko muno. Amayankhula kuwauza anthu mnyumbayi kunena kuti iyeyo zisankho zimene zapita zija waphunzira kunena kuti si zimatengera kuti munthu wayenda kochuluka bwanji kapena kuti wapanga misonkhano yochuluka bwanji anthu nkukuvotera ayi, koma nkhani ndi uthenga umene wabweresa. Tikulandireni kwina kulikonse kumene muli pa Malawi lero. Tiye tikhale limodzi pamene tikhale tikuzukuta zomwe zidachitika mnyumba ya Malamulo.
You know, one thing that these elections we have learned is that it is not the amount of meetings you do, but it is the message that you give. Deputy Speaker, out of all the 15 or 16 presidential candidates who were there, the least traveled, the least campaigned president is Professor Mutharika. Deputy Speaker,
Honorable member, please ask your question.
Yeah, but thank you very much, Deputy Speaker. This is
I see Leader of the House.
Second Deputy Speaker, good afternoon. I wanted to support the fourth Vice President as he is asking his question. Let us allow him to give a preamble. Yes.
Continue, Honorable Member.
Thank you very much, Leader of the House. All what I wanted to say is we need to borrow a leaf from Professor Mutharika. That it is the message that matters, not how many visits you make. Having said this, Deputy Speaker, let me say I have two questions. Honorable Minister, thank you very much for the good statement, but I wanted to remind you, or maybe to ask you, sir, you did not include the gender Edingeni Mzimba Road. Currently, the contractor is on site, and it is the wish of the people of Mzimba, Tie Mzukuzuku, Tie Mberwa, Tie Chindi, to make sure that the road goes as far as Mzimba Boma, but as well as it passes through Eutini to join the Bolero Road at Chikwawa. I thought you should pronounce yourself on that one, sir. The second one, I'm glad you have mentioned about Nkatabe jet, but I thought you would continue by bringing into the attention of Mutwara Development Corridor. Why do I mention this? Because from Nkatabe, it goes as far as Mzimba up to Mkocha border, and our colleagues in Zambia have already done their part from Chipata to Lundazi, Lundazi to Chama. They are just waiting for us to connect so that the Mtwara Development Corridor becomes a reality. I submit, Madam First Deputy Speaker.
Thank you. The honorable member for Mwanza West, Mwanza Central. Thank you.
Thank you very much, second Deputy Speaker, Madam. I have three questions, but before asking the questions, I just wanted to bring to the attention of the Honorable Minister my observation on the Kanengo Crossroads Road. I don't know whether it's just me or probably there are a couple of others who would share my sentiments. It looks like the marking for the road is not perfect. I would probably suggest to you, Honorable Minister, to send your officers to monitor or to check on the road marking. You are driving on a lane, it's showing you you're going to the left. Before you know it, the road is taking you to a different lane altogether. So I think that needs to be checked. It's a beautiful road, but the marking is not perfect. My first question is on the funds utilization. There are a couple of projects, road projects that are funded, but they take too long. Yet the projects are they are fully funded. What is your ministry doing to make sure that funds utilization is moving according to the planned project arrangement? The second question is, there is this project, Tsangano Neno Mwanza Road project. Just wanted to know which section of Mwanza is benefiting from this project. And finally, I wanted to find out, Honorable Minister, we have toll gates. I think 2 so far on the Lilongwe Blantyre Road. When you drive along this road, most of the times you find that there are a lot of potholes. We, as road users, thought probably the use of the funds collected from the toll gates are meant for rehabilitation of the roads. But for the past 5 years, under the MCP government, the roads have not been rehabilitated. So we just want to find out where the funds are channeled to and what your ministry is doing to make sure that the road is always in good condition, perfect condition, so that we can avoid road accidents. Thank you very much, Second Deputy Speaker.
Thank you so much, Honorable Member. The Honorable Member for Dedza Mulunguzi. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, for according me this opportunity. If you may allow me, please, just for some seconds, to join those that have congratulated you for your election to that position. It really suits you very well. Congratulations, Madam Speaker. Let me also congratulate the Honorable Minister for the elaborate presentation. The statement was perfect and very, very clear. Thank you very much, Honorable Minister. And also let me commend you, Honorable Minister, for recognizing the efforts that have been made in the past, knowing that development of a country is an ongoing business, is a continuing business. You've acknowledged all the roads that have been constructed under the past administration. Kudos to you for that. I do not know how many people are going to like you for that, but that was brilliant. Honorable Minister, you have talked about the Makanjira Road. On all the other roads that you did share, you were kind enough to share with the House the source of the funds, and you've stated that phase 3 of the Makanjira Road project, there is $56 million that is already available. I would want to request, Honorable Minister, if you may be kind enough to share with this House the source of those funds, and if you may, when were those funds sourced? Secondly, Honorable Honorable Minister, the second question. You have mentioned, you've talked of a number of roads. I wanted to find out, Honorable Minister, if you may be kind enough to share details, if you have any plans to do with the Chikwawa Chapananga Mwanza Road. This road, Honorable Minister, has been a talk in this House, and we have the Honorable Member for one constituency.
Honorable members to my right, please allow the member to ask.
May you be kind enough to share with this House if you have plans for the Chikwawa Chapananga Mwanza Road. And the last one, Honorable Minister, the roads, the 6-lane roads that you've acknowledged. Honorable Minister, we seem to be having problems now with how people are driving on these roads. It is a fact, there are times that you find yourselves failing to overtake because someone is driving on the fast lane and is on the phone. I feel there is need for civic education on how people drive on 6-lane roads. Do you have any such plans so that we avoid accidents and delays, unnecessary delays when driving on these roads? Otherwise, congratulations for the very wonderful statement.
Thank you so much. Before the Honorable Minister responsible for transport